How to write a personal information dispute letter. Did you know that even a small mistake in your personal information on your credit report can bring down your credit score? It's true. Things like having the wrong address or a misspelled name can actually hurt your credit. So let's talk about how to write a letter to dispute inaccurate and outdated information on your credit report. Welcome to Credit Repair Q&A, where I make videos to answer your credit repair questions and provide practical advice. No hacks, no hustles, and no business schemes. Just useful information to help you understand how to improve your credit and financial well-being. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stick around until the end of this video to find a sample personal information dispute letter that you can use to write your own letter to the credit reporting agencies. Now, let's get started with the most important step in credit repair: correcting inaccurate personal information. Did you know that you can dispute inaccurate or outdated information on your credit report? The Fair Credit Reporting Act says you have the right to dispute incomplete or inaccurate information. Credit reporting agencies must correct or delete inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable information, which must be removed or corrected within 30 days. So get rid of anything on your report that's not current and not yours. Start by getting your free credit reports through the website annualcreditreport.com, which provides the reports from the 3 largest credit reporting agencies: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. When you receive the reports, carefully check out the personal information section of each report. This part has your current and past names, addresses, employers, and other personal details. Mistakes here could signal identity theft or be tied to wrong, old, or negative credit that isn't yours. Correcting this information can even boost your credit score. If you find any errors, you can dispute them in writing or through the credit reporting agency's websites. Writing is better, especially when sending supporting documents. Begin your letter by putting the date at the top and the credit reporting agency's address below. Address separate letters to each credit reporting agency. Then, in the first paragraph, tell them you received your credit report from them and found errors in your personal information. Ask them to correct it immediately. In the second paragraph, type the personal information that should be in your report. Include your legal name, address, and employer. In the third paragraph, ask for an updated report when they've corrected the errors. Mention you've attached a copy of your ID or a utility bill as proof of your current personal information. End the letter by thanking them for their assistance and typing respectfully or sincerely and your name. Yes, it's safe to send your identification information to credit agencies. They have to protect it, and besides, they have this information already. Sending it helps them verify your identity. Mail your letters and attachments with a return receipt to each agency separately. This gives you proof of when they received your dispute. This is important to know because the credit agencies have 30 days to investigate and respond. So that's it. Your personal information dispute letter is done. Take a screenshot of this letter and use it as a guide for your own dispute letter. Now, all you have to do is wait for the credit reporting agencies to conduct their investigations and send you an updated credit report. If you do not receive a response within 30 days, send the same letter again and add that this is your second request. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. For more credit repair information, watch my other videos and like and subscribe to my channel, and check out my book at creditruintocreditworthy.com.